Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself Dr. Maimuna Azhar, physiotherapist, and today I am going to deliver a lecture on the subject of medical physics, and our today's topic is about the sound waves. Sound waves have some properties like reflection and refraction. So today we are going to study what can be reflection of the sound wave and what can be refraction of the sound wave. So first of all, let me tell you reflection of the sound wave and then refraction of the sound wave. Reflection means when a sound wave touches another medium, it comes back. For example, this was another medium and a sound wave strike this medium. When this sound wave strike this medium, it goes back, it reflects back. So the way it comes back, it would be known as reflection. And the reflection and the angle of the reflection would depend upon the angle of incidence. For example, this is the new medium, this is the new medium, and a ray strike this medium. Let me just draw this. A ray strike this medium. This is the new medium, a ray and incidence ray strike this medium. So the angle of incidence is this angle and the refraction angle would be this angle. The angle at which the ray is producing incidence, the angle of incidence would become equal to angle of reflection. So this is the way we can say that the reflection depends upon the incident angle and also depends upon the acoustic impedance. This is assignment for you today, that you are going to write what is acoustic impedance. You are not going to write the summary for the lecture, you are going to write acoustic impedance in the comment section, so that I know that you have seen the whole lecture, whole video, and you know what is the assignment and you have also answered the assignment. At the base of this assignment, I will mark your attendance. Then the second topic which is necessary for you is refraction. We are clear with the reflection, the wave come and reflect back. Now what is refraction? If a wave enter a medium, for example, if a wave enter a medium, sometimes it can also comes inside, it can go inside that medium. But what is the capacity and what is the way it can travel in another medium? For example, this was the ray, let me just draw it. Look at this. This was medium change. A ray comes downward and goes straight. If a ray entered into another medium at the right angle, if this was the medium and it travels at the right angle, it would go straight. There would be no angle change. There would be no refraction. It will go downward and with no angle change. But if it is not at the right angle, if the angle is bit change, then there would come a point that it is dependent upon the velocities of the medium. If the ray is traveling into a medium where there is the less velocity and then it is entering the medium where there is higher velocity, what can be the difference and what can be the change in the angle of reflection in that situation? So according to that, now I am going to tell you a scenario in which a ray was traveling into a medium. It was traveling into a medium where there was less velocity. So you can say that the air. A ray was traveling in the air which was having less velocity, and then it suddenly enters another medium which was having higher velocity, for example water. So the wave is traveling from air to water, the low velocity to higher velocity. Now what will happen to the angle of refraction? Let me just draw it and then I will tell you what is happening in there. So look at this. This is the air and this is the water. The wave traveled into another medium. When it traveled another medium, the normal straight line should be like this. But it did not happen like this. It traveled away from the normal. So when there is a medium, so this is the air and this is the water. This is having low velocity and this is having high velocity. When the ray is traveling from low velocity to high velocity, then in that medium the incident ray, when it enters another medium, it would reflect away from the normal. So this was going to be the normal line if it comes here, but it does not come like this, it moves away. So the ray would go away from the normal. So this is how you can understand that if the ray is traveling into another medium, how velocity affect that and how it is important in that situation. If you guys have any query or any question, you can ask me directly and I will tell you that. Thank you so much.